In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira and Slack. If you want your team communication and project tracking to work more smoothly together, connecting these two tools is a great place to start. This integration helps bring Jira updates into Slack, so your team can stay informed without constantly switching between platforms. I'll walk you through the setup process clearly and simply so you can follow along in real time. To begin, open your Jira project and look for the three-dot menu next to the project name. This menu contains additional project options that aren't always visible on the main screen. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the dropdown. From that menu, select Space Settings. This is where you manage configuration options related to the project space, including integrations and connected tools. If your layout looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the available options carefully, because interface labels can sometimes vary a little depending on your Jira setup. Once you're inside the settings area, find and click Apps. This section is where Jira stores connections to external services and add-ons. It's essentially the place where you manage integrations that expand what Jira can do. After that, look for the Slack integration option and click it. This opens the page specifically for linking your Jira project with Slack. If you have several app options listed, make sure you choose the one related to Slack so you're working with the correct integration page. On the Slack integration screen, click Connect to Slack. This starts the authorization process between the two platforms. At this point, Jira is ready to hand off the connection step to Slack so you can securely link your workspace. Next, enter your Slack account details to sign in and complete the connection. Make sure you use the correct Slack workspace and account, especially if you belong to more than one organization. This is important because the integration will only work in the workspace you authorize during this step. Follow the on-screen prompts, review any permission requests, and approve access so Jira and Slack can communicate properly. Once that's done, the connection should be established, and your Jira project will be linked to Slack. If anything doesn't work right away, double check that you're signed into the correct Jira project and Slack workspace and confirm that your account has permission to install or authorize integrations. That's all it takes to connect Jira and Slack. After setup, you'll be in a much better position to keep project activity and team conversations aligned in one workflow.